Hey guys, welcome to 123 Chinese 123中文 This is Taylor. Today we are going to learn 方位词 meaning directions or locations in Chinese. In today's video, we are going to be learning 7 major characters for directions. There will be 2 more characters which are usually used to combine with these 7 characters to make words or phrases. By the end, I will be also teaching you a simple sentence structure. So after this video, you will be able to use it to describe in simple Chinese sentences. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. The first character is 上 meaning up. Second one, 下 meaning down. And third one, 左 左 third tone meaning left. And last one, 右. So the OU sound make O in Chinese. So please do not make mistake and pronounce as U in English. This one is 右. You can remember this one as YO, like yo, right. Next one is 前 means front. This is similar to the pronunciation as money in Chinese, also 钱, but they have different characters. 前 second tone. 中 as in 中国means China in Chinese. 中 Last one, 后 the same, the OU sound make the O. So ho meaning behind. These are the 2 characters that are usually used to combine with the 7 major characters we've learned to make words for directions. First one is 面 It's same as noodles in Chinese. When it's used to describe directions, it means surface. And this one is 边 and means edge. There are very slightly differences when you are using 面 or 边. We will be talking about the nuances in another separate video. But just remember, in daily life, if you use 面 or 边 for directions or locations, it's okay. There's not much of difference. They can both be used. Alright, it's time to make some words. 上面上边下面下边左面左边右面右边 As you may notice, the first word are the one that are being stressed. The second character is usually a little bit neutral. So 前中后前面前边后面后边 You may already notice that 中 is different. 中 does not combine with either 面 or 边. It has only one word to go with it. 中间 This one is unique, so you need to remember it separately. Alright, since we have already learned the words, now let's move on to the sentence structure. So you are able to use the words that you've learned to describe some locations or directions. The sentence structure is also very simple. This character 在 is very important. It's very important in general in Chinese. So the sentence structure today is A 在 B plus the word we just learned. For example, A 在 B 上面 means A is on B or A is on top of B. Now let's look at a picture and try to say the sentence. So there's a cute dog on a sofa. Dog in Chinese is 狗. The OU again. O, 狗, 狗. It's like go, go, go in English, but third tone. So you say 狗, 狗. And the sofa in Chinese is 沙发. It actually comes from English pronunciation. Similar sounds like sofa or 沙发. So it's very easy to remember. 狗沙发. Do you remember the word in the sentence? 在. And the dog is on the sofa. So on or up, we say 上面 or 上边. So the sentence would be 狗在沙发上面 or 狗在沙发上边. Let's read again. 狗在沙发上面，狗在沙发上边. When you say the sentences, you should start from slow and gradually speed up. So this would be my normal speak speed. 狗在沙发上面，狗在沙发上边. Alright, let's look at this picture. The dog now is under the sofa. Under or down is 下面，下边，下面，下边。狗在沙发下面，狗在沙发下边. Very good. Now the dog has moved to the left side of the sofa. So we can say 狗在沙发左面，狗在沙发左边. Very good. Now the dog is on the right side, and right side is 右面, like 右右, 右面 or 右边. So we can say 狗在沙发右面，狗在沙发右边. And now the dog is in front of the sofa. In front of 前面，前面. So we can say 狗在沙发前面 or 狗在沙发前边. Now the dog is hiding behind the sofa. Behind is a hole, like yo, hole. 后面，后边. So we say 狗在沙发后面 or 狗在沙发后边. Now we come to the special one. Middle. Remember? It does not combine with either 面 or 边. It's 中间，中间. We can say 狗在沙发中间，狗在沙发中间. Very good. That's all for the sentences and words for today. Now we're looking at this picture, and what you need to do is to use the word and the sentences structure we've learned today in this video and try to describe what you've seen in the picture. You can also type in the comment down below if you want me to help you with the correction. And I have also put the characters and the pinyin as well for the words that you might not know. And here, first one is the plant. The plants in Chinese is called hua, even though some of the plants may not have flowers, but they're called hua. Hua. And the cat is mao, mao. And for the pillows on the sofa, they're called 抱枕, 抱枕. 抱 means cuddle or hug, and 枕 means pillow. So 抱枕, pillows for cuddle. 抱枕. Please use these words and the direction words as well as the sentence structures to make as many sentences as you can. You can also describe something that is around you, for example, your home or your office. If you don't know some words, you can just use it in English or try to find it in a dictionary, which can be quite easy. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's the end of this video. Let's see you next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day. 再见。